Hey, today is a big day out. I am gonna go do laundry and go get rid of my trash. So let's get it done. First thing I have to do is check around my van. That's my black bucket there. That's gonna sit out and get warm for me to take a shower later. And over here, I have to still put up my folding panels because we charged our Jackery earlier. And over here, we just have to move these things out of the way, and my co-pilot is inside waiting to go, as you can see. Bummer, I just discovered that this broke, so there's no fixing that right away. Oh well, floppy. My co-pilot is in his correct seat, and off we go. Hey, just a quick side note before I travel. I have a big view of all of these RVs dotted everywhere. It is packed out here. Told to go to the backside, so here we are. Now I could do laundry in quartzite, but what fun is that? A friend of mine, Cindy, told me about a place in Bouse that is brand new, so I'm gonna head out and go see what that is like. A nice helpful lady came out and gave me $10 worth of quarters for $10. So we're going in to do some laundry now. There's the big bag of laundry. That wasn't so bad. Now we wait 36 minutes. So I think I'm going to find a place where I can take Sharpie around for a little walk. Well, when you have your house with you, you can have lunch whenever you want. This is a super clean laundromat. However, what I'm finding is it's $2.50 for the washer and the dryer. And in most cases, what I do is I only put in about 18 minutes for the dryer and I save a ton of money. So while this is nice and it was a nice drive to find it, it's just not for me, I don't think. So one of the things I just learned that might be a perk to this laundromat is you can pay for a shower. It's $8. So that is worth considering. But inside is so tiny. And there's one folding table. And there's like 8 people in there. And we're all squishing around each other. It's, we're going to try another laundromat, but I like this for a shower. One more thing before I forget. I'm quite a mess today. Anyway, one more thing before I forget. I use this app called What 3 Words. It's free, and I'll show you a screenshot. But I pinned my camp, and it makes it so much easier to use. And it opens up Google Maps or Apple Maps, and it's wonderful. It takes me right back to my camping spot. I look damn tired today, but thank you for coming along with me when I ran some errands and did my laundry. I'll see you again soon. Bye.